The SSIMDER ARC200S Stick Welder is a versatile 2-in-1 device that supports both stick and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for various metal types such as stainless steel and carbon steel. This welder features an advanced smart LCD digital display that simplifies the adjustment of current and selection of welding functions, making it user-friendly, especially for beginners. Equipped with an adjustable hot start and arc force anti-stick function, this machine ensures arc stability and reduces electrode sticking, enhancing the overall weld quality. Its lightweight and compact design, coupled with dual voltage support of 110 volts and 220 volts, makes it highly portable and ideal for outdoor and workshop use. The ARC200S integrates comprehensive safety features like overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheat protection, along with advanced IGBT inverter technology for efficient and safe operation. Backed by a 1-year warranty and thorough factory testing, SSIMDER ensures reliability and peace of mind for users, making it a great choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.